Currently what is happened? In the behind the mind, you till is ready to take a treatment, but in the behind mind you think that I will take the second opinion of other doctors. Still is going on in your mind because you don't have a trust, because there is no transparency in the field. Smart contract, always this will be, see, this is not executed by manually. So how it is executed? It will be executed by the smart contract. Some condition you write, and once this condition is occurred, reach, the contract will be executed automatically. That we are using. Efficient and the cost reduction in the type of the system, support for the research. We already tell about the fundamentals of blockchains. It's secure, why? Because it's generating the hash value, that's why it will be secure. Distributed ledger, basically you are maintaining a documentation in the hard copy as a ledger. Same way it is a digital ledger we are maintaining. So it is useful for the sharing the data as basis as well easier. No single point of failure, synchronize the copy, transfer and central authority where we have to approve that particular function. But when we go for the immutability, it cannot be alerted or deleted. That tempering, fraud, unauthorized modification, data integration, it is maintained. Is whatever data is available, it is shared by all the participants. Similar data is available. That is called data integration. Legal, ethical, accountability, auditable, that we have. In the concerns, we are using blockchain node to agree on the validator of transaction. This is the main statement in the blockchain. I already explained. It is a decentralized system. When we talk about the decentralization of system, what will happen? It will be required to one transaction will be approved by one node. It is not sufficient in the blockchain. All are agreed to approve the transaction. Then and this transaction will be finalized, adding the hash value to the block, and this block will be added to the chain. Then block is created and added. Clear? So that is an important thing we use related to blockchain, validation of transaction. Ensure that all participants have a consent and their copy for the ledger. This basically everyone will agree on this particular data. Patient, doctor, pharmaceutical, pathology lab, and lastly suppose it requires an insurance. All they are come together and agree. Prevent from the fraud, double spending. Double spending is same application. Suppose you have one vaccination and same vaccination you can show. That is fraud will be available when you claim for the insurance. We are also doing that. Fake medical bills. Clear? So same repeated, that is for the related with the insurance. So the insurance company also they will have the huge profit from this type of blockchain. Because they have a lot of duplication, lot of double spending is available when anybody will claiming for the insurance. So that issue will be solved. We maintain the fraud, double spending, unauthorized record. So my concerns is important in the healthcare, the guarantee authentication of medical data across the all stakeholders. This is a very important. If whatever data I receive, any insurance, even if doctor, even if whatever their stakeholders are available, they secure that this data is the integrated data. It is not tampered data. It is not a double spending data. That is guaranteed. Prevent from the unauthorized changes to patient healthcare record. Support for the trustless collaboration between the hospital, lab, insurance and the patient. That is very important. We will all key factor, all stakeholders they must be trust each other, and that is come with the blockchain. Maintain a data consistency even in the distributed environment that we use. Already I tell what is the public, private and hybrid mechanism, that is a consortium. So this is the patient privacy. We are publicly no possibility, because whenever you are involving as a patient data, so anybody can be joined, you are not possible. So that is we under the permissible. Permissionless is not possible. Secured but centralized, private. Why centralized? Because one node will be given a delegation. So he is handling particular all the transaction. Again there is a problem. So here we use the balance, trust, secure, efficiency, and is a hybrid model for the, and we will healthcare as a hybrid model. Smart